In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Outlook. Templates are perfect for messages you send over and over, updates, quick introductions, or standard replies. They keep your wording consistent and save time, while still letting you personalize details before you hit send. Let's start by creating a template. Open Outlook and begin a new message by selecting New Mail or New Email. With the message window open, look along the Message tab for the All Apps option. Click All Apps, then choose My Templates. This opens a panel where all your reusable snippets live. Select the blue plus template button to create a new one. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can find it quickly later. In the content box, type or paste the text you want to reuse. You can include formatting, links, and line breaks, everything you'd normally place in the message body. Consider adding simple placeholders like name, date, or project so it's easy to customize each time. When you're happy with it, click Save. That's it, your template is now ready whenever you need it. Now let's use your template in a message. Start a new email the same way. On the Message tab, click All Apps again, then select My Templates. From the list, choose the template you created, or pick any existing one you want to use. Outlook will insert the content directly into the body of your email. From here, personalize the details, swap in the recipient's name, update any placeholders, and adjust specifics to fit the situation. The idea is to keep the core message consistent while tailoring the parts that need a human touch. A few quick tips to make templates work even better for you: keep the language clear and concise so it fits a variety of scenarios. Use names for templates that reflect their purpose, and review your text for tone and accuracy before saving, so you can trust it every time. If you ever refine your standard wording, just return to My Templates and update the saved content so your future emails stay current. If you don't immediately see all apps, try expanding your Outlook window or checking that you're on the Message tab in the Compose window. The My Templates panel opens in the message itself so you can insert content without leaving your draft. That's all you need to create and use templates in Outlook. Thanks for watching.